last time I tried to open a hotel room door and it wasn't ours. And I was like, oh my God. Love to see it. Is it famous? Once again, wherever I go, I'm watching Friends.
It's a real marriage.
I'm in a rush as always, but I haven't talked very much this vlog. But anyways, clearly I'm not home. I'm in New York just for the day. I'll be doing more interesting stuff later on today, but for now we're just gonna be running around the city and trying to get things done. And I'll take you guys with me. I'm sweating. My sister's not gonna be in the vlog. Here's the fit. Let's go. About to go ready to go find some more interesting things to do. Finished all the business. Finished all my business that I had in the city. Now I can relax So I had to go and buy a pair of sneakers because my feet are dying. But going to be going to an Italian restaurant. It's a couple blocks from here. We're gonna eat and then we can explore some more because I didn't have breakfast. I was in such a rush this morning. Which you guys would have saw. We're currently at Hudson Yards in, I think this is Chelsea. So yeah, I got dad shoes. They're kind of ugly but kind of cute. I don't know, but they're comfortable though. Yeah. It's so cute. At the view. Oh my god, have you ever seen a view so like iconic? I don't even know where we are, but this is the spot, man. This is the spot. Alright guys, somehow I'm in New Jersey. Gonna go to a restaurant, we're gonna get something to eat. I don't even know honestly where I am, but it's kind of cute. I'm kind of here for it. Not me being a tourist in New Jersey. Marshmallows, I think. We're getting sushi, but I'm also getting chicken wings. I haven't eaten since last. And then I guess these boats take you to West 39th Street.